Hey guys, this is Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today we got a very special 1970 Chevelle for you. This is an SS, believed to be an LT5 car. This one is very unique though because it's got a 1 of 200 ZL1 Ram Jet injection, EFI, big block 454 motor underneath the hood, making 510 horsepower, guys. It's made it to a 5-speed Tremec transmission, which is really nice when you're driving this. A lot better than that 4-speed. It's done in the classic cranberry red with the black SS stripes on here. You do have the functional cowl hood. You've got a nice black vinyl top, but we'll get to all that here in just a minute. Let's start up front here. Let's look at the front of this beautiful 70 Chevelle. As you can see, you got that nice chrome bumper. You've got the SS badging up there in the front of the grille. Everything is like it should be. The headlights are in excellent condition. You do have the hood pins here in the hood, which is really nice. As we work to the side of the car here, the fender's in good condition. You've got some really nice chrome trim here around the wheel well that's in excellent condition. You've got some 17-inch billet specialty wheels up front with a 245 wide tire. Plenty of grip there in the front. You do have the functional cowl hood up here that works, which is really cool when you're driving on the road. When you mat that thing to the floor, it opens up and lets all that fresh air get to that big block underneath the hood. So we work down here. Let's check out the gaps here on the door. They're nice and even all the way down. You've got your SS 454 badge there on the side of the fender. Let's take a look at the vinyl top here. It's in excellent condition. I don't see any issues with the material lifting up or any bubbling or weird things like that going on. Overall, very good condition. Let's check out the door here. The door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any imperfections, chips, scratches, anything like that. Let's go ahead and open up the door just to show you that it does shut good. It's not sagging or doing anything weird. So we look at the quarter panel here. Quarter panel is in excellent condition, looks really nice. Once again, you got that chrome trim around the wheel well that looks fantastic on this 70 Chevelle. You got the billet specialties in the rear as well with disc brakes, and that is an 18-inch rim there, and you've got a 295 tire on the back, so plenty of traction there with that tire coming with the big block power. No issues. As we work around the back side of the car here, the trunk is in excellent condition. The alignment looks nice. The stripes look good. The chrome bumper's in good condition. You do have the dual exhaust with the SS tips on the back, and that looks really nice. What a car, guys. This is the king of muscle cars right here. The 1970 Chevelle is the one to have, in my opinion. But overall, a fantastic car. But let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you the monster under the hood. All right, guys, check out this beautiful engine bay. I mean, as soon as you pop it, you see that Ram Jet 454 ZL1 motor. And like I mentioned earlier, this is 1 of 200 made. This was a GM Performance crate motor that was made for a limited time, and this car got it. This is a fantastic motor. You got aluminum heads. It's all polished. You've got an upgraded serpentine system. It's got a Holley engine management system on it that just makes it run beautiful. You got ice cold AC. Your fender well tubs have been painted that cranberry red to match, and God, it's just so beautiful under here. Everything is the way it should be. Definitely show quality under the engine bay. What an amazing engine and engine bay. But guys, with that being said, let's work our way to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. Man, let me tell you, you just can't go wrong with cranberry red with the black interior. It just looks fantastic. Let's start off with the carpet. The carpet is all brand new. It's not faded or anything like that, and it looks absolutely fantastic. You've got the original style SS bucket seats that look great. You've got the center console with the classic Hurst shifter coming out of there. This is a 5-speed Tremec transmission in here, which is really nice. Let's move to the dash up here. You do have some upgraded Dakota digital gauges, retro sound stereo system. You've got a forever sharp steering wheel. You do have a tilt steering column, which is nice. It allows you to position it just the way you need. The door panels are in really good condition. One thing that really makes this car special too is the power windows, and they all work like they should, roll up perfectly, no issues with that. But overall, a really, really nice, clean interior, mostly original, but in really good condition. But guys, let's get to my favorite part, and let's take this bad boy for a drive. All right, guys, we're out in the 70 Chevelle cruising this bad boy down the street, and what a car, guys. I've gotten on it a few times, and this thing does exactly what you would expect it to do. It just blows the tires off in first and second, but definitely handles it really nicely. This does have some upgraded suspension, which we'll get to once we put it on the lift. But this car cruises nice on the road. I mean, it just drives straight down the road. You can literally take your hand off the steering wheel. It's actually got a really nice ride to it. It's not super stiff, but not super soft either. So it's a really good medium, rides really good, but still planted to the ground when you're getting on it with this big block. All the gauges are working like they should. Like I mentioned earlier, all the power windows work. I love the steering wheel. The shifter feels fantastic. That Hurst shifter, I mean, they're known for making great shifters, but the shifts feel nice and smooth. You can definitely find the gears really easy, but overall, a fantastic car, guys. This thing scoots for a big car, guys, man. What a fantastic 70 Chevelle. This motor definitely makes this car. But let's get our way back to the shop so I can show you the underside. All right, guys, got the Chevelle up on the lift, and as you can tell, the bottom side is just as nice as the top side. And you can tell that this car was on a frame-off restoration, rotisserie done, all painted nice with that cranberry red on the bottom side of the car. The frame's all painted in a gloss black and looks fantastic. Let's start up front here. You can see the bottom of your radiator with those two big electric fans to keep everything nice and cool. You've got AN fittings here for your cooling system, which is really nice. Don't have to worry about hoses blowing off with those bad boys. You've got the front sway bar here, which is really nice, which keeps the car nice and planted. Some nice control arms that are really clean. Some long tube headers here. You can see that cross member's nice and clean, and that gloss black paint looks fantastic. The bottom of the car is nice and dry, no oil leaks or anything like that. You've got your transmission cross member done in that gloss black as well. You can really see that Tremec 5-speed back here that looks really nice. Got a nice aluminum drive shaft that's done in black as well. Just check out all your wiring and your brake lines and everything here. Look how nice and clean they're done. You got your P-clamps here to keep everything tucked up nice and close to the body, which is really nice. You've got stainless exhaust here with stainless mufflers, which look really, really nice. You got all your e-brake cables in here, which is all functioning with the disc brakes in the rear. You've got a nice beefy 9-inch rear end to hold all the power that you have from that 510 horsepower 454 up front. You've got some aftermarket control arms here, which is what really helps this car get the power to the ground. It keeps the rear end planted and keeps it straight. You got some nice upgraded springs back here to give you the stance that you have on this car. And you have a really nice stainless fuel tank back here to tie everything up. What an amazing car, guys. I am a huge fan of the Chevelle, and this one is definitely up there on my bucket list as far as the nicest one that's come in here. Really nice driver, fun to drive. With the big block and the 5-speed, you just can't beat it. But guys, if you're interested in this one, give us a call at 770-738-7111. If you'd like to go to our website and view all the pictures in a more detailed description, I'm sure I'll probably miss something. You can go to our website at www.collectiblemotor.com. Click on the inventory tab, scroll down till you see this beautiful 70 Chevelle, and you can view everything there. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. We appreciate your support. Today is July 4th. We're here working hard for you guys, making videos and doing everything we can to park your dream ride in your driveway. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna wrap this one up. Until the next time, I'll catch you later.